Hey there, boys and ghouls! Welcome to our super spooky Halloween kitchen. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most frightfully delicious Halloween recipes you can make at home. So, put on your chef's hat, grab your cauldron, and let's get cooking. Let's start with some monstrously adorable monster cupcakes. These are perfect for Halloween parties, spooky gatherings, or just a fun baking activity with the kids. They are not only delicious, but also a blast to make. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. This ensures that your cupcakes bake evenly and come out perfectly moist. Next, line your muffin tins with some spooky cupcake liners. You can find these in most stores around Halloween, or you can order them online for a wider variety. Now let's move on to the batter. You can use your favorite vanilla or chocolate cupcake recipe. If you're short on time, a boxed mix works just as well and is super convenient. Mix the batter according to the instructions, making sure it's smooth and lump-free. Pour the batter into the lined muffin tins, filling each about 2/3 full to allow room for rising. While those bake, let's get creative and make the monster faces. This is where the fun really begins. Gather your decorating supplies and set up a workstation. You can use a variety of toppings to create unique and spooky monster faces. Use colorful frosting like bright green, spooky purple, or blood red. These colors will make your monster cupcakes stand out and look extra festive. You can either buy pre-colored frosting or make your own by adding food coloring to white frosting. Candy eyes are a must for that extra spookiness. You can find these at most craft stores or online. They come in various sizes, so mix and match to give your monsters a unique look. Place them on the frosting while it's still soft so they stick well. Stick the candy eyes onto the frosting and add a dot of black frosting for pupils. This will give your monsters a more lifelike appearance. You can also use black gel icing for finer details. For hair, use gummy worms, licorice whips, or dyed shredded coconut. These add texture and make your monsters look even more whimsical. Simply place them on top of the frosting, arranging them to look like wild, crazy hair. Add fangs and horns with candy corn, chocolate chips, or pretzel sticks. These elements will give your monsters a fierce and fun look. You can also use mini marshmallows for teeth or other small candies for additional features. Finish with sprinkles, edible glitter, or crushed Oreos for a touch of dirt. These final touches will make your cupcakes look like they just crawled out of a spooky graveyard. Be generous with the decorations to make them as eye-catching as possible. There you have it, your very own batch of monstrously delicious monster cupcakes. Perfect for any Halloween celebration, these cupcakes are sure to be a hit with both kids and adults. Enjoy your spooky treats and have a monstrously good time. Boo! Welcome to our Halloween special, where we turn ordinary fruits into spooky fun treats that are perfect for the season. Time for some healthy and easy treats that will delight both kids and adults alike. Let's get started with our ghost bananas and pumpkin oranges. For our ghost bananas, take some ripe bananas and cut them in half lengthwise. Lay them flat on a cutting board, making sure they don't roll around. Next, grab some mini chocolate chips. These will be perfect for creating the eyes and mouth of our ghostly bananas. Gently press 2 chocolate chips into the banana for eyes and 1 for the mouth. Now let's move on to our pumpkin oranges. Start by peeling small oranges or tangerines. Make sure to remove all the white pith to give them a smooth, pumpkin-like appearance. For the stems, take some fresh celery stalks and cut them into small pieces, about 1 inch long. These will serve as the pumpkin stems. Carefully poke a piece of celery into the top of each peeled orange. These treats are not only adorable, but also a healthy snack perfect for Halloween parties. They add a festive touch to any Halloween spread and are sure to be a hit with everyone. Even the littlest goblins can help out in the kitchen. This is a great activity to get kids involved in preparing their own snacks. They'll love making their own ghost and pumpkin creations. These treats are a fantastic way to sneak in some extra fruits before all that Halloween candy. They provide a nutritious option amidst the sugary treats. Enjoy these ghost bananas and pumpkin oranges as a fun after-school treat, or as a delightful addition to your Halloween festivities. Happy snacking and have a spooktacular Halloween! Get ready to wrap up some spooky fun with mummy hot dogs. These delightful treats are not only easy to make, but also a hit with kids and adults alike. Perfect for any Halloween party or just a fun cooking activity with the family. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This will ensure that your mummy hot dogs bake evenly and don't stick to the pan. Gather your ingredients. You'll need your favorite hot dogs and a can of crescent roll dough. You can also get creative with different types of sausages or even vegetarian options. Unroll the crescent dough and cut it into thin strips. The thinner the strips, the more mummy-like your hot dogs will look. Carefully wrap the dough strips around each hot dog, leaving a small gap for the eyes. This is a great step to get the kids involved. They'll love wrapping the dough and creating their own mummy designs. Place the wrapped hot dogs on the prepared baking sheet and bake them in the preheated oven for 12-15 minutes or until they are golden brown. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't overbake. Once baked, it's time to add the eyes. You can use mustard or ketchup for a quick and easy option. Alternatively, small pieces of cheese with a dot of black food coloring make for a more detailed look. Get creative and have fun with it. Serve your mummy hot dogs with some spooky fries or your favorite dipping sauces. Think about adding some Halloween-themed sides like ghost-shaped cheese slices or bat-shaped tortilla chips to complete the festive spread. These mummy hot dogs are perfect for your Halloween feast. They add a fun and festive touch to any table and are sure to be a crowd pleaser. Enjoy making and eating these adorable treats. It's a wonderful way to bring the family together and create lasting Halloween memories. Happy Halloween! Stir up some magic with witch's finger breadsticks. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and lightly grease a baking sheet. Roll out pizza dough into a large rectangle and cut into long, skinny strips. Pinch one end to make a pointy fingertip and make shallow cuts for knuckles. Press an almond slice onto the tip for honesty fingernail. Bake for 10-12 minutes until golden brown. Serve with marinara or cheesy Alfredo sauce, adding red food coloring for a bloody effect. Arrange on a platter and watch them disappear. Enjoy these creepy-licious breadsticks. Take a bite out of these monster apple bites. Use green apples for that perfect monster-y color. Cut the apples into slices and spread nut butter on one side. Use mini marshmallows, sunflower seeds, or white chocolate for teeth. Add a drop of red jam for blood if you like. Stick on candy eyes above the nut butter. These are a fun and healthy snack perfect for Halloween parties or school lunches. Get creative with the decorations. Enjoy your monster apple bites. And there you have it, our top 5 spooktacular Halloween recipes for kids. These treats are sure to make your Halloween party the best on the block. Remember, the most important ingredient is fun. Get creative and don't be afraid to make a little mess. Thanks for cooking with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fun recipes. Have a fantastic Halloween, everyone. Boo-bye!